We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Please ensure that you have all of your personal belongings. Take care when opening the overhead compartments, as the contents may have shifted during the flight. The use of mobile phones is now permitted. To assist in keeping the cabin comfortable, please lower your window shade and open your air vent prior to exiting the aircraft. We appreciate your cooperation. On behalf of United, the Star Alliance Network, and your entire flight crew, thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to serving you again on another United flight.
Circularemos por la pista durante los próximos minutos. Por favor,